Welcome to Internet-Tutors. Why does Python manage memory? Python are so comfortable without having any worry in allocating and freeing memory like in C or C++. Basics of memory management. Python program requires space in memory which has automatic memory management system in which the programmer has not to do manual work for memory management. Every variable, object or data structure requires the space in the memory. Python built systems are designed in such a manner whenever an object is needed, memory is allocated, and when the object is no longer in use, memory is free up. Entire memory management process is controlled by Python Memory Manager. It supports the below points like allocating memory, releasing unused memory, avoiding memory leaks. This concept is not found in low-level language. Python are giving the developer the comfort of writing code without directly worry about the memory allocation. Python private heap. All Python object and data structure are stored in a special area is called Python private heap. Heap can be think as a storage room, only Python can enter inside. You are the programmer, do not have direct access to heap. Python internal manager are handling all objects inside the heap. Memory manager are ensuring that the variable like integer, list, strings and user defined classes are stored in the heap. Due to this design, Python are efficient and prevent from any accidentally corrupting of the memory. Garbage collection. It is called as the process of cleaning up memory by removing objects that are no longer in the use. Python primarily use a technique called reference counting. In every object keep track of how many references are pointing to it. If the count increases, it means that more variables are using the object. If the count reduces to 0, it means that none of the variables are using the object. So Python automatically deleted and free up the memory. The reference counting also alone has a problem of circular reference. If two objects are reference each other but nothing else point to them, their reference count never goes to 0. Cyclic garbage collector fix this, which detects such situation and clear unused cycle. It makes the Python program to run smoothly without manual cleanup. Memory is reused efficiently. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Internet-Tutors, where you get a plenty of interview questions related to data science, Python, and which will definitely boost your career, which make your foundation better. Please try to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video from beginning to end.